What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 RTR. Today we're going to be doing something nice and simple and adding a battery tender. Alright guys, so winter is here, it is hit, so now it is time to add a trickle charger, battery tender, whatever you like to call it. So I had these already. I was using this for my 68 and I used one for my Cobra. So I have this little battery tender here, which has done fine for me. And luckily it does come with one of these ring attachments here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these alligator clamps off here. We're going to attach this on here and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to mount it onto the 25 Mustang. All right, so first step, you want to disconnect the battery though before you mess with any of the terminals and stuff over here. So you're just going to give these push pins. Me. And you can slide the whole cover off of the battery. We get our 10 mil. We're going to disconnect the battery here. Once you have the negative disconnected on the battery, we'll come here to this post.
You can now take this off.
And this is an 8mm. All right, once you have the post off, you can look here for your negative terminal ring. I'm going to slide this through the rest of them. And I'm just going to route this right around the fuse box here. Split this a little bit. We'll shove this now over the post. We'll install this back on with our 10 mil. Now we have this set up here. We can plug it into the actual battery tender. Finally, now we're just going to reinstall the negative terminal on the battery. Then we'll plug in the tender and we should be good. Now we will reinstall our cover. All right guys, so there you have it. Pretty much just disconnect the battery here. Prior to doing so, you're going to remove this post here with an 8mm. You're going to take off the nut here on the positive with a 10mm. You're going to attach your two ring clamps here. Then you're going to reinstall the battery terminal, put your cover back on, and plug it in. So we've got it plugged in right there. It's charging, and that's it. So now, if we need to, we can just turn it off over at the wall. You can disconnect this right here. You can either choose to just tuck it and stuff it right here by the fender and leave it attached. Or once you're done with it, you can remove it. It's your preference. You can't really notice it too much. Doesn't look too bad. But if you don't like it for a car show, you could easily just take it off, or you can just tuck it in the fender. So I just figured now that winter's here, a bunch of people I saw online and Facebook were asking about how to do battery tenders. Some guys were taking it off. Some were putting it right on the terminal post, which I believe doesn't register with these modern cars now with the battery service management system, the BSM. So this was a better way to do it. So drop any questions, comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe and continue to support the channel, and I appreciate any feedback.